What's up guys? I'm really excited for today's video. I always wanted to try to be a Benihana cook, but my dreams have failed and I became a professional race car driver. I'm on vacation with my family right now. As you can see, there's a huge spread of food out in front of me. There's these massive Tomahawk Steaks, 4 cheese, macaroni and cheese, 2 of my favorite foods by the way. And on top of it, we have my favorite side to go with these steaks, which is asparagus. I'm gonna grill these up on the grill, put just a little bit of olive oil on them and then salt and pepper, and that's all. Nothing special. And the rest of this is just salt and pepper on this, and this is just gonna go in the oven. Like I said, I am on vacation right now with my family, and they're all getting super hungry, and they saw I set up the tripod, they saw I got the camera out, and they were like, no Nate, we're gonna eat right now. And I'm like, hold on, give me 20 minutes. I need to shoot this cinematic sequence right now for my viewers. No, they're gonna love it, I promise. So right now, we got 20 minutes. I'm gonna push start, and let's see if we can get a beautiful cinematic sequence. Even the dogs are circling me right now, so let's get the show on the road. Alright guys, I'm gonna go eat. As always, I hope you have a lovely day and I hope you're spreading lots of love. I'll see you next time. Bam! Ah, I got it in my eye. Ah, it burns! Oh, it burns! Water. Ah, not worth it. Not worth it.